So she chased after her dream with much desire. But when she got too close to her expectations, her dream burned up like paper and fire. Paper and fire, sticking up the ashtray. Paper and fire, smoking up the alleyways. Who's to say the way a man should spend his day? Smoking like paper and fire. He wanted love with no involvement, so he chased the wind. That's all the city life required. And the days of vanity went on forever, and he saw his days burn up like paper and fire. Paper and fire, singing up the ashtrays. Paper and fire, smoking up the alleyways. Who's to say the way a man should spend his day? Smoking love like paper and fire. There's a good life right across the screen field, and each generation says it from afar. But we keep no check on our appetite.